Hello, students. I'm going to go a bit over what I'm expecting from you and over the new modules that have opened. I have opened all modules 1 through 7, with the exception of one, which is module 5. Module 5, I'm still working on to get it where we need it to be. Let's work backwards, and I'm going to go through and if you're unsure, if you're missing something, we'll go over that right now. I'm going to start down here at the bottom at Module 6, and then we'll do 7, and then from there I'll just work backwards. But let's look at Module 6. Module 6 is our career assessment. This is kind of a weird one for most of you because you have decided you want to pursue nursing. This does give you some other opportunities to explore what else Odessa College has to offer, as well as you get a chance to take one of those assessments that kind of tells you what sort of things your skills might be catered towards. So in Module 6, there is the information here. Pay no regard to those two right there. We're really just looking at the self-assessment. These will be deleted by the time you see this. So 6.1 is the Cooter Journey Assessment. What you'll want to do is open this attachment. Again, it's this one right here. It's going to be a PDF file, and it's got some instructions as to how to log in to this particular program. You follow it through, and what we want to pay attention to is the activation code, and then your username and password is going to be your OC student ID. So what you'll do is you'll click on this link. It'll open, and you will click on register, and you'll go through the process. You will be a student, list yourself as a freshman, and then you'll fill this out. Again, at the bottom, it's going to ask for your username and password. We will use your student ID, and it does want the 7 digits, so we will use the leading 0 on that one as well. That is Module 6. What you'll do is you will take 3 assessments: the career interest, the skills, confidence, and the work values, and then at the end there should be a 1-page summary. It says you can print it out and upload it, which I'm fine with, or you can take a screenshot if you know how to use the snipping tool, or just do a print screen, and you can submit that right here. I'm going to go back to coursework. Now we'll look at Module 7. Module 7 is over our study skills and test taking. This is one of my favorite ones. Inside the resources, it's got some information on how to do some particular studying for depending on what kind of test it is. There is a short video to watch, and there's 2 assignments. Test taking tips. This is a discussion board. You'll click on create thread, and what it's wanting you to do is create a thread and share your top 3 test taking skills with the class. And then I want you to reply to at least one other student on there talking about what they're marking, as well as what sort of things you agree or disagree on. The test taking assignment, what we want you to do is for this assignment you will need to complete prepare 5 to 10 index cards in preparation for a final exam in one of your current classes. What you can do on this is if we're still about 3 weeks away from final exam time, but you have taken some tests in these classes, and these tests are going to show back up on your final exam. So show me some of your study skills. If you use the index card method, awesome. You might already have this done. If not, let's try this and we'll see what sort of things we come up with. Again, you can just take a picture of these and upload those as the assignment by browsing your computer and attaching that file. All right, still working backwards. Goal setting. The assignments that I want you turned in are going to be the ones with the bullet points right here. We want to make sure we have a grade for each of these. I'm working on the grade system today, so hopefully that'll all be in a perfect alignment and you'll be okay there. The goal setting worksheet that we had attached, and I think it still says that on the SMART goal, download the attached SMART goal, it wasn't working, so I apologize. What this one is designed to do is look at Module 4 at the very top. We're going to click right here. We're going to create a goal. We're going to create a journal, and it's what is a goal you'd like to achieve within the next 6 months. Then what I want you to do is read through this, watch the video, and read about what a SMART goal is. Down here at the bottom, there's either a discussion board or a blog, and I want you to write a SMART goal this time. So we're going to write goals at the beginning without knowing what a SMART goal is. At the end, we're going to read about what a SMART goal is, and then we're going to list 2 more goals, one that we want within the next week and one that we want within the next 5 years, that satisfy all 5 of the SMART goal attributes. Back to Module 3. Module 3 should have been our Cornell Notes. The Cornell Notes was the only thing that I wanted you to do on this one. There's a couple of different ways you can share the Cornell Notes here at the bottom. There are some videos and some information. I love this video. It's very corny, but I love it. There are a couple of ways for you to upload this. Number one, you can use one of the forms here or use your own paper to write on digitally or take a picture of and upload this the same way we've been doing by uploading it through here. Or if you want, you can share it with me through Google Drive. And I was trying to make Google Drive, Google Documents a bigger part of this. If you need help sharing that with me, let me know. If not, what you're going to do is take notes on this.
Your son is a remarkable young man. He has more in
Is about a 4-minute video by Richard St. John. It's a TED Talk, and I want you to share your notes with me on that video. So you'll upload them here, email them to me, or share them with Google Drive. That was Module 3. Back to coursework, Module 2, back all the way to the beginning, time management. This one is pretty straightforward. It's the only one that was really, really good. The Blackboard quiz, I'm still grading some of yours. The grading was a little weird on this. Sometimes you clicked in a space and it didn't exactly register. The time audit worksheet and the late paper assignment, you'll do all 3 of those in this one. And then Module 1 was all the way back to the beginning, the discussion board, the email survey, and the inspiration. If you have any questions on any of those, feel free to let me know. But as long as you have grades for these 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 assignments at this point, you are good to go. Let me know if you have any questions at all, and I'm always here. Thank you.